It's the new product from OnePlus, whole new name.
Hey, how's it going? Dave 2D here.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Carl here. It is OnePlus Nord Day.
There's a lot going here.
OnePlus has really thought about the user.
The OnePlus Nord looks really attractive.
That's a crazy wide jump.
Basically, this does not feel like a cheap phone screen at all.
And it feels weirdly fast.
For $400, you will struggle to find better.
Future exists now in the form of the OnePlus Nord.
I'm sure this thing will sell like hotcakes.
For that price, you're getting a lot.
I think this is going to make a lot of people happy.
I'll leave it at that.
Yeah. 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지, just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Get to know me and I 내 flow가 짧은 눈이.
Is this actually special? Honestly, I think it is.